Hi, I'm Robert Monge, an instruction librarian here at Western Oregon University. Let's look how to create a basic table in Google Sheets. First off, you want to start off by highlighting all of your data. Go from the top toolbar to Format, then down here to Alternating Colors. From the right-hand side of the screen, you select a default style, or if you want to have your own colors, you can use the header, color 1, color 2 options. Pretty happy with this. So the next thing I need to do is add a title. From the first row, column A, I'm just going to select that cell. Then I'm going to go up to the top toolbar and insert rows, insert one row above. For my new row that I've created, I'm going to highlight all of the cells, then go to Format and Merge Cells, Merge All. Now I can add my title in this first line. Now I want to make some stylistic adjustments to the table. So from the top toolbar, I'm going to first adjust my title. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to use the font to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to use the justification to center it. Next, I want to make some changes to my text. It's also a little bit small, so I'm going to increase the font size. That looks a little bit better. Last, this black text on blue background doesn't really read very well, so I'm going to highlight the headers, and I'm going to go up to the text color and change that to white, make that bold. Oops, let me select those again. Make that bold. There we go. So now I've got a pretty decent looking table. Wait, I just realized I spelled homework wrong. Gotta fix that first. Alright, now I have a pretty decent looking table here. So I'm going to highlight everything and go up to Edit from the top toolbar and select Copy. You can also select Ctrl+C if you want to on your keyboard. I'm going to open up a Google Doc. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to select Paste. You can also use Ctrl+V. You'll get two options here, a link to spreadsheet and a paste unlinked. I'm going to select paste unlinked just for make this a little bit easier here. If you want to see how link to spreadsheet works, watch the additional video on this guide that details everything, how that works. I'm going to select paste. Now I've successfully created a table in Google Sheets and copied it to a Google Doc.